Okay, YouTube, Frank Lubeck here with Lubeck Enterprises with yet again a different computer. It's amazing how many of them I come across, huh? This, as you can see, is a Dell Inspiron, as it says right on the side. That's why it's down here. It needs cleaning quite badly. It's an Inspiron 620. It's a nice desktop PC. It's a pretty good size. You can see it's got fans here. It's got some fans at the back. Top-mounted power supply. It's got 6 USB ports. Meh. I mean, I don't see why you would need more than 6. Ethernet. It's even got an HDMI and a VGA output. So, input. You have the standard audio jacks here. Something that really surprises me is that this thing here, which came from somebody who's probably 70, 80 years old, they actually have the wireless card in here. The only thing wrong is the stuff that screws onto this, the actual antenna, is missing. So I can go ahead and test it with mine, but if I were to sell it, I would have to go ahead and get another pair to hook up to here. But that's in the future. For right now, we have that beautiful PC. That's the back side. Front side, as you can see here, we have a DVD writable, we have a blank slot, and we have another slot that takes an SD card, headphones, microphone, or 2 USB. So total you have 8 USB drives on here. Power button. So long story short, this here was getting thrown out at work. I did get explicit permission to take this thing. So, with the size of it, and I've opened it up once at work just to take a look at what I'm working with, and it seems like this here is something that I could potentially turn into another gaming PC and sell. It's got enough space, it's got all the right ports. I mean, you just maybe swap out everything, like the RAM is almost maxed out. Max is 8 gig, right now it's at 6. So, we'll see what I do with that. It's got a hard drive in there, motherboard, all of that can be upgraded. DVD, rewritable, don't really see the need to put a Blu-ray player in here. So, as far as I can see, I'm just going to go ahead right now. Like I said, it needs a good cleaning. So I'm not going to do any upgrades right now. I'm just going to open it up, give it a pretty good cleaning with a good squirt of air, and then go ahead and take rubbing alcohol and Q-tips and clean the fans. So that's the game plan. Whether or not that's actually what happens is a different story.